Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is my 2022 Ford Bronco Badlands. This has got 24,000 miles and is in cactus gray color. The good folks at Diamond ProTech has provided me this diamond maintenance kit. This coating kit is highly recommended, and since I've never done a ceramic coating on any of my vehicles, this will be a first for me. This will be a very unbiased review, and I hope it really comes out nice. Now, this paint, it is very dirty right now. If you could see what I can feel, it's nasty. It needs a good washing. Diamond Pro also recommends a full polish prior to the treatment, which I do have some polish, so we will be taking care of that as well. I'm not going to bore you with the details of washing and polishing, but I'll bring you back when those are ready. Thanks. Okay, so now it's washed. I'm getting ready to do the polish. The Meguiar's polish I have says to use dry on a bonnet. I'll be using a power buffer with a very light touch and running at a low to medium speed. Just one more word on the polish. The main reason you want to do this is to get any little micro dirt off the paint, and it's kind of like putting one of those glass protectors on your phone. Any dirt trapped underneath is going to show like crazy and cause problems, so we don't want to do that here. So I'll bring you back after I'm done all the polishing. Now, before I do the polish, just a quick test here. It still feels gritty. It doesn't feel smooth and slick at all. So it definitely needs some love here. Okay, so I have washed the car, I have polished the car, and I have washed the car again. I'll be using a new chamois to clean it all off and dry it. And from there, we will start getting ready to do the prep. I did remove the spare tire so I could work out behind it, and that's about it for the moment. Okay, so now I've got the car washed, polished, washed again, dried, and detail dried. So we are ready to get started on the actual application of the product. Okay, so here's the actual kit itself. First, they give you the body prep. This is a final deep clean before you add the silicon oxide coating. They do give you a set of gloves, both large and XL, which is a real nice bonus. I thought it was just large at first. And they also give you a couple of microfiber cloths. So for installation of the product, it looks like it'll only take about 30 minutes. A single layer is required. Basically all we need to do is, using the microfiber cloth provided, we wipe down the entire vehicle, and then we apply according to their crosshatch instructions, and hopefully it all comes out very, very nice. We'll see. So first we want to make sure we apply the diamond prep. It's just a spray bottle, and I'm just going to do a single panel at a time and wipe it down. Okay, I've applied the prep over the entire vehicle, and it is looking about as clean as it could possibly be right now. And we will be able to do the slide test. For right now, it is not moving very well. Hopefully when we're done, it should slide across the car nicely. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started at the fender. Again, we're going to do an up and down and side to side motion with it. I'm going to go ahead and begin spraying. I'm going to put a little on the cloth. Alright. Stay. Alright. right, and then we're going to go up and down. Definitely puts a nice shine on there, and we shall see how it looks in just a few. I'm going to go ahead and do the entire body like that, and we shall check it out from there. So after I've wiped all the panels down, I'm using the wet cloth to wipe all the door jambs out. Take advantage of the little bit that's left on there without having to just throw that away. And that'll help protect the door jambs and help keep them clean longer too, I guess. All right, we're going to do a quick walk around after everything has been applied. It is very shiny. Looks absolutely beautiful. Time will tell how well it holds up for the rain washing away and see how long it holds up, but it should leave a hydrophobic layer for up to 6 months, so it should be a nice coating, at least get us through the winter here. In the Northeast we do have some pretty harsh winters sometimes, so we'll see how well it holds up, and we'll do an update on this video at some point hopefully. And again, thank you to Diamond ProTech for providing this, and I really like it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. And hardest part was the prep, obviously, because that's kind of the most important thing of any job is the prep work. And you know, I took the time, I polished and washed and polished, and I think it all came out very, very nice. And for a 2-year-old vehicle, it looks as nice as the day I got it. So I think it's a really good product, and I think I will definitely be using it again. Thanks a lot, Diamond Pro. And one last thing. This thing feels like ice. It feels so smooth. There is not a single bump or roughness to it. So clearly it does the job. So again, I really like the product, and I think you will too.